When it comes to casement window installation in Orangeburg, South Carolina, choosing the right casement window contractors is crucial. Casement window companies in Orangeburg offer a wide range of services, from installation to maintenance, ensuring that your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Casement Windows, Orangeburg SC are well-versed in the latest trends and technologies, providing you with energy-efficient casement windows that can significantly reduce your energy bills. Energy-efficient casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg SC. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Double-glazed casement windows in Orangeburg SC are particularly effective, as they provide an extra layer of insulation. By opting for Casement Windows Orangeburg SC, you can enjoy a comfortable living environment while also reducing your carbon footprint. Custom casement windows in Orangeburg offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. Whether you prefer vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wood casement windows, Orangeburg Casement Window Professionals can help you design windows that match your style and needs. Casement Windows Orangeburg are tailored to fit your specific requirements, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Casement window repair in Orangeburg is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Over time, casement window parts such as casement window hinges, casement window locks, and casement window screens may require attention. Casement window repair, Orangeburg services can address these issues promptly, preventing further damage and ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Affordable casement windows in Orangeburg are available for homeowners looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Casement window suppliers in Orangeburg offer a variety of options to suit different budgets, from basic models to high-end designs. Affordable Windows Orangeburg do not compromise on quality, providing you with durable and stylish solutions that enhance your home's value. Casement window maintenance in Orangeburg is key to preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Regular maintenance, including cleaning casement window glass and inspecting casement window frames, can prevent costly repairs down the line. Casement window maintenance. Orangeburg services offer comprehensive care, ensuring your windows remain in top condition year-round. When it comes to casement window installation in Orangeburg, South Carolina, choosing the right casement window contractors is crucial. Casement window companies in Orangeburg offer a wide range of services, from casement window repair to custom casement windows. These casement window experts in Orangeburg SC are well-versed in providing energy-efficient casement windows that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also improve its energy efficiency. Whether you are looking for vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wood casement windows, Orangeburg Casement Window Professionals have the expertise to meet your needs. Energy-efficient casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg SC. These windows are designed to reduce energy consumption by providing superior insulation. Double-glazed casement windows are particularly effective in maintaining indoor temperatures, making them an excellent choice for those looking to lower their energy bills. Energy-efficient windows in Orangeburg SC are available in various styles and materials, including vinyl, wood, and aluminum, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. Casement window repair in Orangeburg is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, casement window parts such as casement window hinges, casement window locks, and casement window screens may require attention. Casement window repair. Orangeburg services can address these issues, ensuring that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Regular casement window maintenance in Orangeburg can prevent costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your windows. Custom casement windows in Orangeburg offer homeowners the opportunity to create unique window designs that complement their home's architecture. Whether you prefer a traditional or modern look, custom casement windows can be tailored to your specifications. Casement window design. Orangeburg services can help you select the right materials, colors, and styles to achieve the desired aesthetic. With the help of casement window suppliers in Orangeburg, you can bring your vision to life with high-quality, custom-made windows. Vinyl casement windows in Orangeburg are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and do not require painting, making them an affordable and practical option for homeowners. Vinyl casement windows, Orangeburg, are available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing you to customize the look of your home. For those seeking affordable windows in Orangeburg, vinyl casement windows offer an excellent balance of cost and performance.